Jesus, look at my body.
What's going on here?
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to splash you water. I was rushing down somewhere.
Okay. I'm going for interview now. What am I going to do?
Okay, can I get you new clothes?
You people will be driving car. You won't look where you are driving.
I can get you new clothes. Please, let's just get in. Wow, you look nice. You can pick whatever thing you want. Yeah, pick whatever thing you want.
I wanna dance with you now after the party. I wanna get to know you.
Hey, yo, Princess, man, what are you doing over here? I've been calling you all day. You're not answering my call. What the fuck is wrong with you? Are you crazy?
I've told you to stop calling my phone. Leave me alone.
Who the fuck is this guy? You? Are you cheating on me with this guy? This nobody?
Call me nobody. Yeah? You get mad?
I see you got a bouncer now. You got security. It's all good. Yo, I'm gonna tell you like this, right? I'm gonna fuck you up. Tell you straight up.
By the way, who is that guy?
This chippy maker of our son. My father wants me to get married to him, but I don't like him. He's too arrogant.
As I did here now, nobody will ever come close to you. Anybody will put body now, I go scatter the person's mouth. I swear. You know.
No, you're not beating anybody. Please. Is this how you fight?
No, not be saying that like this at the fight too.
By the way, where are you going for your interview?
Yeah, for CMC where they for Lekki phase 1, and there they go.
CMC?
Yes.
That's my dad. Yeah.
Yes.
You got the job already.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I just say make I thank you. I won't take you for everything. Imagine I just met you a few days ago. You gave me a job. You bought me clothes. Today now you carry me go out. Do you want to take me away from my mother?
You're so funny. And that's the reason why I like you. I think I'm falling in love with you.
Azana.
I beg you. You mean you choose me over Steve?
See, I don't really care about the money. A lot of guys are out there doing yahoo, doing all sort of things. When you are out there looking for a job, shows how responsible you are. Like, I don't care even drinking Gary with you.
Well, if you say so, who the hell? You get a tissue.
Babe, this can't happen about Jane 2K.
Confirm. This is real life shit.